So guys, we have a student from Symbiosis Hyderabad with us who's going to share her experience, that how she prepared for the interview and how was her interview, how was her experience, and what suggestions she wants to give you guys. Yeah guys, welcome to Loggery. I hope you're subscribed to Loggery's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. We do pretty motivational stuff out there. If you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Loggery, then do follow us on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to Loggery, and I welcome a student from Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad who has taken out time during her exams to share her experience when it comes to the interview. She gave the interview last year, and that is the reason she is in Symbiosis Hyderabad, Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad. So do hear to the interview because she has given tips and tricks here and there, telling you that how you have to prepare and everything. So it is a really small interview, not a big one, but a really helpful one. I also want to tell you that Loggery has come up with an initiative wherein we are helping you guys with your preparation. You can book a session with us. The details of this session are going to be in the description box below, so do check that out. And yeah, do hear the interview because that is going to help you out. And also, if you don't want to buy the session but you want to prepare for the interview all by yourself, I've done 2 videos that are going to help you. I'm going to leave the link of those videos also in the description box. I've also shared that how you can prepare for your current affairs, for your legal aptitude and everything in those videos, so do check out. And in one of the videos, I've helped you that how you can curate your own answers relating to some of the questions, right? So do check out the description box and do hear to the entire interview. Right, let's get started. How was the interview?
Interview was not a very strict one, I would say. Neither it was a very casual interview. But the thing is, they ask you questions which are not just relates to your personality, your past, activities which you've done in your school, but also relates to academics, whatever you've started for your, SLAT, or whatever you prepare, whatever subjects were included in that exam. It certainly, they ask questions related to that as well.
Okay.
So it's just a very, you just need to be natural in that interview. Nothing more than that.
Okay. So students should prepare, should revise their legal aptitude, like topics like that of Indian Constitution, torts, contracts, and criminal law. That is
Yes,
what you
ma'am.
want to say? Okay.
Certainly. And ma'am, your communication skills have to be to the point because that really matters to them.
So how
If,
did you
the way you
prepare?
present yourself.
How did you prepare for that? Like for your how did you make sure that you're good with it, your communication skills? What were the things that you did at that point of time to improve your communication skills or to prepare for the interview in journal?
Personal interview is it is very important because, the way you present yourself matters to them the most. So your communication skills, do you have some at least basic knowledge of the law? Whatever you've done in your paper, at least you know about it. Whatever you've written in that, they might ask you about your point of views again. So that becomes very crucial for them. The environment I'm living in, I have seen people are being selected just on the basis of interview. Yes, marks are important, but for them, personality matters the most. The way
Okay.
you communicate, the way you present yourself, it is very important.
Okay.
So first of all, you should work on your personality. Just sit in front of the device, whichever device you're choosing for the interview. Sit in front of it, practice a lot of times, and the way you will speak on the final day, practice that. All the things which the basic questions which you think that they might ask, it's important that you should refer to them as well. I think Loggery has also uploaded a video which I also referred for my interview. Before I went to my interview, there were some basic questions. When you look on those questions, you feel that yes, these questions are basic and people might, or the interview might ask that question. So the most important thing is you should know how to introduce yourself.
Okay.
Introduction is very important because subsequent questions do follow that.
Okay.
And the other thing is, you should know from where you come. If you're residing in, say, for example, Rajasthan, they will certainly ask you questions about that.
State.
How, yes, state. So, how Rajasthan is popular, what is it famous for? And these questions do matter to them because it shows that you're aware about where you are living, you're aware about the conditions, and about the environment you are living in.
Okay.
And yes, questions from law are also important. They
Okay.
might ask you some questions like, which is your favorite act? So
Oh,
if you say my favorite act is, you can say anything. You say my favorite subject is Constitution.
right.
In that case, they might ask questions subsequently about the Constitution, like anything about fundamental rights, about directive principles of state policy. So at
Okay.
least you should have this in mind that this is my favorite subject. You should keep all these things in mind so that you are prepared for the interview in advance.
Okay. And when it comes to how to introduce yourself, this is a very dicey question. Like some people say that
Yes, ma'am.
you should your answer should be not what you have written in your form already. It should be something else, or you think it should be very simple introduction and then the questions follow from there. What is your opinion about that?
The first and foremost thing is if your name is written in your CV or you have obviously you have filled your application for the institute, you don't have to repeat your name again.
Okay.
Just say I'm from, yes, so for example, I'm from Rajasthan and I have done my schooling in this particular institute
Okay.
and I scored these many marks in my class 12th
Okay.
and just go on explaining about what all activities have you done priorly
Okay.
and how did you choose law as your career? How did you decide that I'll be going for law?
Okay.
And just this much, yes.
Okay.
And then subsequent questions would be, continued with this.
And what about current affairs? Like, are current affairs important or not? Should the students continue reading the editorials, the important news? Should they be aware about what is going around or not?
They should be, ma'am. Certainly, after you introduce yourself, the next question certainly would be about a current affair. They
Okay.
might say, just decide a case. Not
Okay.
in a way that you have to give a decision, but at least do you have some viewpoints on it? So
Okay.
when you don't know about that current affair or about that legal news or some latest news,
You
it
lose out.
really, leaves a bad impression on the
Yeah.
interviewer.
Okay. So it means that is what I have done in the video also. I've told them to prepare some personal questions, given them a list. Next is they have to prepare for academics, legal aptitude and current affairs, and then communication skills, that is sitting in front of the mirror, all that I told you. That is what I have told them
And
also.
yes, ma'am. And for ma'am, when we talk about communication skills, it cannot be improved. It has to be improved by the time. But yes, the other thing they can do for this particular thing is they can read editorials because editorials, like we certainly read newspapers for CLAT or exams, entrance exams.
Yeah.
So it's better if they go through the editorials, some good articles, and which are exclusively based on the latest developments in legal field or current affairs
Yeah.
so that they have a point of view. If they ask you a question, at least you have some point of view
Yeah,
regarding
that
that
is,
topic.
yeah. So guys, that's it for the interview. But wait, I have more for you. I want to share some of the free resources that I have for you. You should watch our legal current affairs videos. I have covered the legal current affairs for May, for June, and for July, and somewhat whatever is left, I'm going to cover it for you before your interview takes place so that you are able to understand everything and you can formulate an opinion. Most expected questions video, wherein I have told you that these are the questions that are expected, and then I have told you that how you should answer them. Thereafter, I have done an updated video again wherein I've told you that how you have to prepare, what you have to prepare, a list, right? A ready made list that this is what you need to prepare, and with current affairs that are important. And you should also follow us on Instagram because I'm sharing the articles that are important, the news analysis for you is done there, right, of the Hindu and the Indian Express. And also I have a paid resource for you. If you want that I or my team should help you with the preparation of the interview, you can book a interview preparation session with us. All the details related to this session are going to be in the description box below, so do check that out. So yeah, that's that from my side. Logity signing off. I'll see you super soon. Till then, keep on preparing because it is very important, and I hope you get admission in Symbiosis. All the best.